Hello students, welcome to class. I'm Miss Katie, that vegan teacher. Today we're going to try not to cry. We're going to be looking at these little piglets. What do you see? What do you see on screen? Does this piglet look happy to you? Or scared? Let's give him a name. What should we call him? Write it in the comments. What would you like to call this little one? Hi, Precious. It says on the screen, is a 5-minute meal really worth taking my entire life? Every time you eat bacon, you are contributing to this cycle of violence and terror. Every time you eat ham, you are paying for a mother pig to be sexually assaulted, forced to be pregnant, and stuck in this place. Every time you eat sausage, you are paying for baby pigs to be terrified. They are castrated, the boys, without any anesthetic. Every time you eat pepperoni, you are paying for a cycle of violence where these individuals who have personalities and a right to live are forced to be confined in this place for their entire life without ever seeing the sky, without ever seeing the sun. Every time that you eat sausage, pepperoni, ham, bacon, or any other body parts of these individuals, you are paying for so much terror, suffering, violence, kidnapping. Do you see the siblings in the background? 3 of them are trying to hide their heads, scared that they'll be next. This poor mother has given up. You see, she can't turn around. After trying to bite at the bars for hours and hours until her gums were bleeding, she gave up because she realized there was no way for her to turn around. Can you imagine if this was a dog? Let's say a Labrador or a Golden Retriever stuck in a cage like that and unable to turn around for months. The reason they put them there is they say that the mother will step on her babies, which is absolutely ridiculous because in the wild they build nests for them and none of the babies ever get stepped on. Thank you for being here today, everyone. Thank you for having a kind heart in such a cold world. And I appreciate those of you who are vegan fantastic, which means you're not yet vegan necessarily, but you're open to it. Your heart is open, your mind is open, and you're here because you really care and you'd like to be vegan and you're supportive. So thank you for that. If you are somebody who is vegan phobic, that is to say you are cruel to animals and also to vegans who try to protect them, you are welcome to leave and never come back. I cannot make you care. I cannot make you into a kind person. None of us can. But the vast majority of you don't want to hurt animals, and I thank you for being here. You can go in my comment section and help to save these animals by writing what you've seen today. You can write simple sentences, even just something that says, tofu doesn't scream. Just write that in the comments below. And then in another comment, write, plants have protein. And in another comment, write, being vegan is a moral obligation, because it really is, and it's so easy to be vegan. On the left side of the screen there, you see it says subscribe and press the notification bell. Let's help get the animals out of hell. So if you're watching this and you haven't yet subscribed, maybe it's time to do so and be a teaching assistant on this channel. Teach everything that you've learned in all of the months or years that you've been watching this channel. Maybe today is the day for you to be vegan finally. Thank you for being here. Coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on them, be curious, look around. There are thousands of them to choose from. And if you want to follow me on other social media, you could see my addresses there on the screen. If you want to see me live, talking to people and want to come and talk to me, you can join my TikTok channel where I am live almost every day. Music by That Vegan Teacher. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here.